Go.
Hey everybody, I'm going to read a book today, and because the weather has been kind of rainy lately, I decided I wanted to read this book. Rain Talk. Can the rain really talk? Do you hear it? Let's find out. It's written by Mary Serfozo and it's illustrated by Kiko Narahashi. Very big name. And look, don't you wish you could go outside and dance in the rain with a puppy and an umbrella? All right, are you ready? Look at that. Rain Talk. Plomp, plump, go the first fat raindrops. Plump, 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 into the soft summer dust of a country road. Each little drop digs a dark little circle, and the smell of wet dust tickles my nose. On the old tin roof of the garden shed, the drops all try to talk at once. Ping pong plonk, plinka pinka pinka bong, ping dinga dinga dong dong, ping 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 ping. And they chuckle together as they run down the drain. Look at the drain. The dog's trying to drink the water. It's raining harder now. Listen to the plip, 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 plip as it speckles the smooth surface of the pond. The mother duck that says, "Time to go for a swim." What does a duck sound like? Quack, 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 quack. On the highway, the raindrops bounce high and whoosh and as the cars go by. Headlights are coming on, reaching out to catch the silvery slant of the rain as it falls. Now all I can hear is the bip, 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 bip of the rain thumping on my umbrella and dropping and dripping all around me. Mother says to come in the house, and the rain tries to come in too. Flick, 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 flicking itself like pebbles against the window panes. I'd rather stay outside, wouldn't you? When I've had my supper and bath, I lie in front of the fire, and now and then a raindrop slips down the chimney to spit and sizzle in the fireplace on the logs. I'm getting very sleepy now. Tucked into my bed upstairs, I try to stay awake and listen to the drumba 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 tumba tumba tum of the rain on the roof above my head. But my eyes just won't stay open. Rainy weather is great weather to take a nap in, isn't it? Tomorrow I may find the rain all gone, with only a sparkle still caught in a spider web or a flower. But I'll look first. For a rainbow. And clouds. That's the end of Rain Talk. I hope you enjoyed the book. I always love going outside after it rains, especially in the spring when it's bright green and everything is wet and it smells so clean. I hope you get a chance to go outside and enjoy the rain today or sometime soon. I love you guys. Bye.